Help me make the following text clearer. The collection of words that define our current map of science has a developmental history. In the same way that a child's developmental journey is a story of biological traits accumulated over time, influenced by local experiences, the scientific map is a story of understanding processes shaped by numerous influences. Along with the input of raw observation are the filtering effects of biological biases. These shape the data we are more likely to see or ignore, and how data is interpreted. The fact that humans gather science is a huge influence on both the mapping process and the application of scientific disciplines.
Here are some ways to make the text clearer. 1. Simplify metaphors. Instead of comparing science to a child's development, consider a more direct explanation. You could say, our understanding of science evolves over time, shaped by various factors. 2. Use specific examples. Mentioning specific biological biases or filtering effects could illustrate your point more concretely. For example, confirmation bias makes us favor observations that confirm our existing beliefs, potentially neglecting contradictory evidence. 3. Focus on specific points. The text touches on 3 points: A. Development of scientific understanding, B. Role of biological biases, and C. Impact of human involvement. Break them down into separate sentences or paragraphs for better clarity. 4. Avoid redundancy. The phrase, mapping process and the application of scientific disciplines, seems redundant. Consider phrasing it concisely, like, shaping both scientific knowledge and its application. Here's a revised version incorporating these suggestions. Our understanding of science evolves over time, influenced by various factors. Just like any field of knowledge, science builds upon previous findings and undergoes a process of refinement. One factor shaping this evolution is human biology. Our inherent biases can sometimes filter our observations and interpretations. For instance, we might subconsciously pay more attention to data that confirms our existing beliefs. Furthermore, the fact that humans conduct science itself plays a significant role. Our values, perspectives, and limitations influence the questions we ask, the methods we use, and the conclusions we draw. By understanding these influences, we can strive for a more objective and comprehensive understanding of the world around us. I hope this helps. Feel free to adapt it further to your specific needs and preferences.